Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're just going to have another mooch around, see what we can see. Like this colourful mosaic wall. Today's video has absolutely no plans whatsoever. We are literally just having a look around. I've only went and got myself a hat, haven't I? Try and stop the heat stroke again. The man from Del Monte. He say yay! Come back to the hotel because, well, I still don't feel right, to be honest. Still feeling a little bit bleh. Anywho, we're gonna go for a dip in the pool. Come on.
It is cold.
I tell you what, mind, it is freezing. For something to eat, and because there's a Lamborghini restaurant, I have to go. because it's my dream of having the Lamborghini. I will have one a day. I forgot to film. Pizzas all round. Well, I just found out that restaurant was called Chili's. That's Lamborghini. Apparently it's a wine shop. Anywho, it was still nice. And I still want a Lamborghini. Heading out to meet the family. Don't know how much of that I'm going to film, but we're going to the night out.
Shouldn't really have the phone open, like.
Robert's on the TerryTracker.
Boom!
There you have it. We're back at the hotel now. That's it for another day. See you all tomorrow.
Ta-ra!
Now it's time to do your job.